Question. Point A on a wheel of radius r touches the horizontal plane at point P. It rolls without slipping till point A is at the highest position in the first turn. What is the final distance AP? Options: A. 2r, B. r into root of 1 plus pi square, C. r into root of 4 plus pi square, and D. 2r into root of 1 plus pi square. Solution. Consider the right triangle AQP. We are required to find the length AP. We know that the length AQ is equal to the diameter of the circle. It is given that the radius of the circle equals r. Therefore, the diameter of the circle equals 2r. We know that the wheel turns halfway through for the point A to reach the highest position. Therefore, the length PQ equals half the circumference of the circle, that is half of 2 pi r. This equals pi r. Let us recall what the Pythagoras theorem tells. It tells that in a right triangle, the hypotenuse square equals base square plus altitude square. Applying the Pythagoras theorem on triangle AQP, we get hypotenuse square equals base square plus altitude square. That is AP square equals AQ square plus PQ square. This equals 2r the whole square plus pi r the whole square. This equals 4r square plus pi square r square. Taking the common factor r square outside, we get AP square is equal to r square into 4 plus pi square. This implies that AP equals r into root of 4 plus pi square. The right answer to the question is option C.
Hope you all like this video. For more videos and update on the upcoming free classes, you can be part of a WhatsApp group and Telegram group. To be part of the WhatsApp group, you can just text to this number, and to be part of the Telegram group and Telegram channel, you can just search Christy's classes in Telegram. In the Telegram group, daily live free quizzes happen at 9 PM on General Aptitude. You can be part of that quiz also. And if you want live free classes for General Aptitude, you can download Unacademy mobile application and search this profile Christy Varghese, and you can see 300 plus pre-recorded videos, and upcoming daily live classes happen at 11 AM. Monday to Friday, 11 AM free classes happen in this profile. So you're welcome to attend this free classes also, and more YouTube video details are given here. And these are the details of the full courses or the paid courses in Unacademy platform, which you can get by taking Unacademy Plus subscription with the referral code CC10. Hope to see you in the upcoming video. Thank you.